In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align items in auto layout in Figma. Auto layout is all about telling a parent frame how to position its children. Instead of nudging each layer, you apply alignment to the auto layout frame itself, and it arranges everything inside according to your choice. Depending on the direction and available space, you can align to top left, top center, top right, middle left, middle center, middle right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. Think of it as choosing a parking spot for the whole group of elements within the frame. Start by selecting the auto layout frame you want to control. You can click the frame in the canvas or choose it in the Layers panel. If your elements are not inside an auto layout yet, select them and press Shift+A to wrap them in one. That instantly creates a parent frame with auto layout applied, and you'll see its properties appear in the Design panel on the right. Confirm you are on the parent frame before you continue, because alignment only applies at that level. Next, use the alignment control in the right sidebar under the Auto Layout section. You'll notice a small grid or matrix that represents where content should sit inside the frame. For a horizontal auto layout, you'll control vertical alignment here, choosing top, center, or bottom so items line up consistently along that vertical axis. For a vertical auto layout, you'll control horizontal alignment, choosing left, center, or right to keep items tidy on the horizontal axis. When the frame is larger than the combined size of its children, you will see all 9 alignment positions become relevant, and you can decide exactly where the group should live inside the extra space. If items fill the frame edge to edge, certain choices may not produce a visible change until you introduce extra room. Alignment does not alter order or spacing. It simply positions the group within the parent's bounds. If you prefer shortcuts, you can change alignment from the keyboard. Use W to move alignment to the top, A to the left, S to the bottom, and D to the right. You can also use the arrow keys while focused on the alignment box to step through positions. These shortcuts adjust the frame's alignment setting without selecting individual layers. If alignment seems unresponsive, make sure the parent auto layout frame is selected, and review padding and spacing values in the sidebar, since large insets can make alignment appear off. Switch the layout direction if you need to control the other axis. That's it. With these controls, your content will sit exactly where you want it.